welcome back to my channel. My name is Pasti. If you're new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Divalog 2020. So I thought I'll share with you 3 super duper easy organizational DIYs which you can do obviously by yourself very easily with the minimum things that you have. And you know, they are going to be pretty, they're going to be handy, and they will definitely help you in keeping your space a little more organized. So without further delay, let's just get into the video. So for the first one, what I've done is, since I get a lot of PR boxes and plus abhi ke time pe online shopping itni ho rahi hai, so what I decided to do was convert those boxes into sort of storage boxes that I can keep in my dresser or in my almirah and वैसे करके. So first we're going to start by cutting the flaps on the upper side to sort of give it a storage box sort of shape, and we just have to remove the flaps. And then we are going to secure the niche wala side with tape so that you know it doesn't give away and it can hold stuff properly. And we're going to keep doing that for the many number of boxes that you need. You don't need to have like uniform sizes of the boxes because different sizes of the boxes, different shapes can hold different types of things. So it's actually up to you, but as you can see, I'm using like a variety of different boxes. Some boxes might need to be secured with a little extra tape to just sort of give it the shape and make sure that it's sturdy enough. Next, we are going to wrap these boxes with paper. I'm using simple newspaper because it just gives a nice classic look. You can use any sort of decorative paper as well, but just make sure that the paper is thin so that you know it wraps around the box easily and like doesn't consume too much space of the box. These boxes are super handy in storing stuff, and I have also tried and sort of covered one with foil paper, and I think this looks super pretty, very trendy, and you know it's obviously great for storing whatever you want. The second one works really well for tops, and especially because our tops are usually quite short. What happens is a lot of like very short tops take up a lot of space in the cupboard and it's just not as good and handy to use. So you can use this trick instead. For this we are going to need paper clips, and the paper clips should be these ones, not the steel ones, so because they break very easily and we are going to be molding these, so make sure you use these ones. And you're going to need hangers, preferably these sort of steel hangers which are thinner. We are just going to open the flap of the paper clip just a little bit, hang the hanger inside of the paper clip like this, and now we have sort of like a chain that in which we can hang the second hanger. Make sure to press it tightly or else it's going to become very loose, and that's it. Following the same process, we can add 3 to 4 hangers together. I personally don't know how well it will work with shirts or longer t-shirts, but for tops or like say blouses or anything which is shorter in height, I think this is going to work wonderfully. This is a very handy DIY, plus it's so easy, so you can just do it, and in case it doesn't work out, it's very easy to just like undo it also. The third one works out really well for me. It's super duper easy to do. You're basically recycling and reusing the old boxes that you would in general probably throw away, and it's a good hack. For this we are going to need a box. I'm using this box that I was using as a jewelry box, and some cardboard. I'm going to measure the box that I have and then cut down pieces of cardboard to make sort of sectionals for the jewelry box. Once the cardboard sectionals are ready, according to your own preference, you can make as many sections as you want. If you want, you can also stick them or cover these sectionals with paper or anything fancy, but since I want them to be movable, I have simply fixed them in place. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this and you found these DIYs helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy.